Now that we have acknowledged a new order by sending an ETA to the user, the order now resides in the Takeout section's Pending Orders. This is the area where we begin to process our orders. In part 1, I said that pending orders is when the kitchen is actively working on a takeout order. This is true, but on rare occasions, a customer may want to order takeout to be picked up hours after their order was submitted. Should this occur, you'll have to be mindful of each order's time differences and pay attention to the pending screen to determine when to submit each order to the kitchen. The pending screen looks very similar to new orders, except the orders are in red. There is also a Done button located to the far right of each order. When you click on the Done button, the person who ordered it will receive a message on their mobile device saying the order is complete and ready for pickup. Again, this message will stay on the screen for 15 minutes or until the user touches it. On Android devices, the notice will stay on the screen until someone addresses it and in some cases opens the program. As I explained before, a user can view any message in the notification center located within the program. This is important to know because if for any reason a user fails to see a message or there is a glitch, the user can always go into the program they are using, either Zoom Dining or On the Go Dining, go to the top right hand corner, select the Settings tab, log in if necessary, and select Notifications. This is all done on the user's mobile device using our programs. Let's go ahead and hit the Done button, and you'll see the takeout order will move from pending orders to waiting for pickup. When you hit the Done button, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the order. Please hover your mouse over the Takeout tab and select the third option labeled Waiting Pickup. Here in green, you will see our takeout order. This is the final step in the takeout process. When our valued customer arrives to pick up their order, you simply have to hit the button on the far right hand side labeled Done. A pop-up will appear asking you for the order details. A customer's name and order number will already be present. Let's go ahead and do that. There's the name and the order number. You will need to fill in the receipt number and any tip if applicable. Since a tip is a required field, if none is given, simply enter the number 0. The receipt number is the receipt number on your POS slip. Or, if you're taking orders by hand via a checkbook, use the page number associated with the order. When you are done, simply click the Submit button. So for receipt number, we'll make one up. And for tip, we'll hit 0. And we'll hit Submit. This will take the order out of the active system and move it to past orders. If you hover your mouse over the Takeout tab and select Past Orders, the final option in the drop-down list, you can find your order by either typing in the receipt number or simply by searching for it. In past orders, you have the ability to print a receipt. To do this, make sure your device is hooked up to a printer and click on the arrow located to the left of the menu item. This opens up the financial details of an order. On the far right hand side, you will see a print button. Clicking on this will print a receipt and the takeout order will be completed. And that should print that out. Congratulations! You have successfully processed a takeout order from start to finish. Before we move on to our next video, there are a few important sections that you should be aware of in regards to takeout. The first is the reports section dedicated to our takeout orders. If you hover your mouse over the tab labeled Reports, you will see a drop-down box with 4 options. The second option is labeled Takeout History. Please click on this now. In its current form, it's a generic view of how much money you collected during specific time periods. Finally, if you hover your mouse over the Settings tab and click on Message Settings, you will see many boxes with dialogue in them. The last 3 boxes have the messages that will be sent to the user with regards to their takeout order. This concludes our training for processing a takeout order. Our next video will train you on our loyalty program. The loyalty program is yet another amazing feature bundled into our programs.